Very good evening, ladies. Welcome to Forever Star India, and I welcome you all to the FCR family with an open heart and mind sorted. I know बहुत सारी feelings must be going through your head and heart, nervousness, excitement, and much more. But this is to just calm the chaos down inside your heart. This is not an exam. ये कोई एग्जाम नहीं है. अपनी नर्वसनेस को बैक सीट पे डाल दीजिए और एक्साइटमेंट को फोरफ्रंट पे ले आइए. आई कैन सी सम स्टनिंग फेसेस अक्रॉस द स्क्रीन. So only thing that is missing is the smiles that all you women have. I would request all of you to maintain that stunning looks with your even prettier smiles, because like I mentioned, this is just an interaction. ये सिर्फ एक जरिया है आप लोगों के बारे में जानने का, कोई एग्जाम नहीं है. I'm sure you all are interesting, unique individuals जिनकी अपनी एक जर्नी है, अपनी कहानी है, and we are going to hear it all and create a unique identity for yourselves and make sure that you take away an experience of lifetime. Now, why is Forever Star India so unique and so different from other pageants or any other platforms in the beauty industry? Why do I say this is because this platform is not just about the crown. I know आप लोगों का final destination है to win the crown at the earliest, but this platform is not just about the crown. It's much more. It represents a community of women who are like-minded, talented, and passionate. So yes, having said that, it does not matter अगर आपको पहले कोई experience है या नहीं. If you belong to this industry or if you are a complete fresher, the only thing that we want out of you is your sincerity and how passionate you are. So that clarity should reflect through your introduction and your audition today. That's the only thing that we're looking for. So let's get started talking about season 2021. Forever Star India season 2021 was a huge success where we held our grand finale at Marriott Hotel Jaipur and created a world record, in fact history, by crowning 300 plus winners from across the country on a single platform. 300 विनर्स एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे पहली बार क्राउन किए गए और इस साल का रिकॉर्ड आप लोग सेट करोगे. यू गाइस आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट द फेस ऑफ सीजन 2022 थ्रू डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज: मिस इंडिया 2022, मिसेस इंडिया 2022 एंड मिस टीन इंडिया 2022. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग फन जर्नी. नो मैटर इफ यू विन और नॉट, दिस प्लेटफॉर्म विल इंश्योर कि आप इतना सीख के जाओ यहाँ से that when you enter a party, after all, you are proudly, you proudly call yourself an FCR participant. Why do I say this? Because competitions बहुत सारे हो रहे हैं around the country, but there are in fact there is only one platform as far as I know that believes in grooming and training so extensively. So let's actually start the process now. About the audition process, आज का आपका audition process 2 steps में रहेगा. First, your introduction. Second, your ramp walk. Now, the introduction part has to be very crisp and to the point. I know there is a lot of information that you want to share. आप लोग बहुत कुछ बताना चाहते हो, but the बहुत कुछ needs to have a filter of what should be told on this platform. So उसमें 2 चीजें primarily आपको include करनी है. First, your hobbies. Second, why do you want to win the crown? So ये 2 चीजों का जवाब आपको बिना पूछे unasked, unabashedly जवाब अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में इंक्लूड करना है. So please make sure आप इन 2 पॉइंटर्स को मिस ना करें अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में. Again repeating them, your hobbies and why do you want to win the crown. These are 2 major points that you need to include. Other than that, आपकी फैमिली के बारे में नहीं है, ये आपके बारे में है. So आपको अपने बारे में बात करनी है. I know you love your parents, I know you love your family, but this is about you today. This is your first step into the glamour industry and make sure you make it all about yourself. Second step, your ramp walk. So we'll be kick starting with watching your 2 rounds of your ramp walk. So कोई जल्दी नहीं है किसी को. 2 rounds minimum आप complete करोगे अपनी walk के. Now the walk is not to see how much you know, but to see how much grooming do you require, ताकि हम उसी हिसाब से अपने आगे की planning कर पाएं. So walk करते time nervousness की बजाय put all your confidence in, put all your passion in. It's your dream, your space, and I'm sure that's what is going to make you look good while you walk. And let's get started now. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the jury for today, the 2 leading ladies of Forever Star India, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary and Ms. Jaya Chauhan, the directors who are going to be the guiding lights for you guys and giving snippet reviews as well. So I would request now Kirti ma'am to take over and share her piece of wisdom before we all begin. Kirti ma'am, welcome on board. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Harry, and a very good evening to all of you. I can actually see some lovely faces across the screen. Yeah, all dressed up, all done with your makeup. I'm here to, motivate you a little. कि nervous होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I'm sure after knowing the complete process, all of you are feeling a little nervous कि कैसे walk करेंगे, कैसा introduction देंगे. So whatever you have, whatever you know about yourself, just talk about yourself with a lot of confidence. And of course, I'm hoping that you are coming with a lot of preparation. You're wearing your stilettos, you're wearing your heels, and you are following the dress code that has been mentioned by the team members, right? Black and blue, black t-shirt, blue jeans, or a black dress if you do not have any of these. So following the dress code just helps us in understanding that how serious you are for today's audition, right? And language is not a problem. If you want to keep your introduction in English, you can very well talk about yourself in English. But if you're more comfortable speaking in Hindi, अगर आप हिंदी में बात करना चाहते हो या हिंदी में ज़्यादा comfortable हो अपने बारे में बात करने में, तो आप बेशक हिंदी में अपना introduction रखिए. आपकी लैंग्वेज के बेसिस पे या लैंग्वेज स्किल्स के बेसिस पे आपको कोई जज नहीं करने वाला है. हम जज करेंगे सोनली सिर्फ एक चीज पे, वो है आपका पैशन, right? That how seriously and how sincerely you want to be here on this platform. So all the best from my side, and all of you just take a deep, deep breath before you start with your ramp walk and before you start with your introduction. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Let's move to these lovely women and get to know them. So I'll be starting on with the interaction part one-on-one. जैसे ही first candidate का introduction खत्म होगा, the person will have time to set the frame for her ramp walk, because उतनी देर तक I will be shifting to another person's introduction. So make sure you do not end up wasting time. There will be enough time to switch and set your frames. So let's get started with Ritu. Hi Ritu, how are you?
Hello ma'am, I'm good.
Great. Can we please have your introduction?
Yes ma'am, मेरा नाम रितु है. मैं साउथ से बिलोंग करती हूँ. एक्चुअली मेरा जब मैं 8 या 9 स्टैंडर्ड में थी, तब से मेरा ड्रीम था कि मुझे मॉडलिंग करनी है. और मैंने 10th में भी अपनी स्टडी में आर्ट साइड लिया था कि मैं फैशन डिजाइनिंग के उस लाइन पे जाऊं. बट थोड़ा फाइनेंशियल इशू था कि फैमिली इतना अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाई. बट मैंने गिव अप नहीं किया. मैंने हर जगह बहुत अप्लाई किया, बट कहीं कहीं मुझे फेक्स लगे जहाँ पे मैंने मनी भी इन्वेस्ट किया बट कुछ भी इनपुट नहीं मिला. वेस्ट ही चले गए मनी. और बचपन से ही मुझे ड्रेस डिजाइन भी मैं कर लेती हूँ मम्मी के साड़ी से, और जो भी मटेरियल्स होते हैं उनसे खुद ही ड्रेस ट्राई करके रैम वॉक करती रहती हूँ. और मेरी हॉबीज भी यही है कि मुझे एक मॉडलिंग बनना था. सॉरी, हॉबीज मेरा ये है कि मुझे ना ट्रैवलिंग बहुत पसंद है. प्लस मुझे एक ऐसा अपना फ्रेम चाहिए था कि जहाँ पे मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को प्राउड फील कर पाऊँ, और जहाँ पे लोग कि बचपन से मैंने एक चीज देखी है कि मेरे घर पे सारे डॉक्टर इंजीनियर है. मुझे उस फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि उस फील्ड में जाऊं. मेरा बस यही फील्ड था कि मुझे एक रैंप वॉक करना है जहाँ पे मुझे इतनी सारी पब्लिक देखे और मेरे पेरेंट्स प्राउड फील करे. और मेरे लिए ये विन जीतना इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि जब मैं 10th में आई थी तभी मैंने एक अपने अंदर एक गोल बना लिया था कि मुझे अपने करियर, अपना गोल यही सेट करना है कि मुझे मॉडलिंग करियर में जाना है. एटलीस्ट मैं जीतू या ना जीतू, बट ये तो होगा कि मैंने ट्राई किया, कभी गिव अप नहीं किया. तो मेरे लिए यही जरूरी है कि मुझे ये बहुत जीतना है कि मुझे अपनी फैमिली को प्राउड फील कराना है और अपने आप को भी कि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ. इसलिए मैम मेरा बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम है कि मुझे एक बार तो ये करना है कि इतनी सारी पब्लिक मुझे देखे और मैं भी वो इतना मोमेंट फील कर पाऊँ कि कैसा होता है. मैंने कभी वो मोमेंट फील नहीं किया है कि इतने सारे 1000 पीपल के सामने मैं रैंप वॉक करूँ या कुछ भी. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. एकदम पॉजिटिव थॉट के साथ हूँ कि सब अच्छा अच्छा होगा. लेट्स सी क्या होता है.
Thank you so much, Ritu. Thank you. आप अपना frame set कर लीजिए for the walk. I'll move to Anita Mahato ji. Hi, Anita ji. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, there are. नहीं, संगीता जी नहीं, अनीता जी.
Hello.
जी अनीता जी कैसी हैं आप? जिन्होंने ब्लैक शर्ट पहना हुआ है विद अ नोज पिन, जी आप ही से बात कर रही हूँ, कैसी हैं आप?
I'm fine.
प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Ma'am, are you getting my voice?
या आई कैन हियर यू, आपका वीडियो स्टक है बट आई कैन हियर यू, सो यू कैन कंटिन्यू आई गेस।
मेरा नाम अनीता है, मैं झारखंड से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मैं एक ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट हूँ। बट ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट होने के साथ साथ मैं सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा बचपन से ही जब भी किसी को मतलब रैंप में
Okay, I think her network buffered and she was. Let's move to Neha Sawant. Hi, Neha, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have an introduction?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Hi, I'm Mrs. Neha Sawant, and I come from this beautiful place of beaches called Goa. I'm a dentist by profession, and I'm serving people since last 4 years. I am fond of dancing, reading books, and drawing, painting, and I'm very much passionate about whatever I do. I'm here on this platform to experience new things and to gain more confidence. And lastly, as a person, I don't believe in miracles. I believe in hard work. And I feel if you stay determined, persistent, and positive in life, your hard work will truly pay off. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. You can set your frame for the walk while I move back to
Yes.
Ritu. Are we ready? Ritu, can you please unmute yourself and start with your walk?
हेलो।
जी जी, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो।
ओके मैम, मैंने टेरेस में हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? एक्चुअली घर पे ना गेस्ट आए हुए हैं।
नो इश्यूज, वो कोई इशू नहीं है, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो।
ओके मैम।
Hello, ma'am. Can I start?
Please let Ritu complete.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you so much, Ritu. I would now request Neha to begin with her walk. Neha, आप start कर सकते हो।
Hi, ma'am. Can you see me?
Yes, you're visible.
Okay. Is that fine?
Yes, it's absolutely fine. Thank you. I would request Kirti ma'am to take over and comment on your performances.
Hi Ritu, a very good evening. How are you? I can't hear you, Ritu. You have to unmute yourself.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, good evening. First of all, I just love that smile of yours. You have been constantly smiling when you were talking about yourself. And of course, you spoke about yourself with sheer honesty. But your introduction could have been a little more well constructed, right? You spoke very casually about yourself. So I was looking forward to a more well constructed, a more formal introduction. Secondly, your walk was very average, right? With the way you spoke about yourself, I was expecting कि ऋतु तो अभी बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी walk करने वाली है. But your walk was average. You have lovely hair. You are capable of doing much better than this, because I'm sure till now you haven't been trained, right? You haven't taken any formal training with respect to ramp walk or modeling. But if you get the appropriate training, you can be there. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, Neha. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
Yes, even I'm doing great. And your introduction was amazing.
Thank you.
You spoke about yourself with a lot of clarity, right? So when there's a clarity of thought, there's a clarity of speech. So
Yes.
That is how you spoke. Your walk was also average. And of course, why? Because you were walking confidently, right?
Yeah.
And the way you were crisscrossing your legs was also fine, but your turns could be a little more better. And the way you were posing, we can improve a lot there.
Okay.
Improvement का scope है, but you are capable of getting there.
Okay.
So all the best, and just wait for your audition report.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Also, this is for everyone. You're not supposed to leave till the meeting ends. You have to be there as an audience perspective. You are being constantly noticed. So अपने videos off मत कीजिएगा. Thank you. Let's move to Galaxy A50, who's wearing a beautiful sari. Can you please tell me your name first?
Okay. Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Can you please tell me your name?
Aishwarya Datta.
Hi, Aishwarya. How are you?
I'm fine, fit and fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have your introduction?
Yes, I'm Aishwarya Datta. I'm coming from Krishnanagar. It's a small city in West Bengal. And I'm a commerce graduate student. I'm coming from a business background family. And when I'm in college, I started working with my mother in business. And then I think, why don't I try for jobs? And now I'm SBI Life in. And I'm as a financial advisor, I'm working. And in my free time, I do so much thing actually. I do stuff, DIY stuff, spending a lot of time with my mother and with my pets also, watering plants. And last but not the least, I feeding street dogs, which is not my hobby, but I love to do that. And why I'm here? Because of my mother, obvious. She has do everything for me after my father death. Still, it's 12 years. She bring me up totally. And if I'm selected, then it is the proud moment for her. So that's why firstly I hear, and secondly I want to boost up myself, and sometimes it's very inspiring for teenager or hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay. So I this shortly I'm saying I just want to inspire small town girls. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Aishwarya. You can set your frame for the walk. Let's move to Shraddha. Hi, Shraddha. How are you? आप mute पे हैं. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, that's Sharda.
Yeah, hi Sharda ji. I'm so sorry for mispronouncing. Could you please?
No problem. It's a very, very common mispronunciation, and I'm like, sometimes I feel my name is Shraddha and not Sharda. So yeah, so no worries on that. Hi everyone, I'm Sharda and I'm from Chennai. I work as the director in an energy modeling and sustainability firm. I have 2 children, and if I have to speak about my hobbies, I rarely get free time. But whenever I get free time, I end up either reading or traveling. And very recently, I picked up a new hobby of mine, learning archery. So trying my luck there. So far, no big hits, but let's see and hope. And the second one, why I'm here is, yeah, as a part of my volunteering, I've done mentoring quite a lot, especially for the young adults. So I believe there are two ways of mentoring. One is you talk, you make them believe, and you motivate them. And the second one is live by example and you motivate them. So I've been doing the first one. I'm here to do the second one. So let's see.
Thank you so much, Shardari. Thank you. You can set your frame for the walk and I'll move back to Aishwarya for a ramp walk. Aishwarya, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready. 1 minute.
You can start with your walk.
Can you hear me? See me?
Yes, you're visible and you're audible both. You can start.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's move to Sharda D's walk. Sharda Ji, you can start. Thank you. Thank you so much. And just before I switch over to Preeti ma'am's reviews, Aishwarya, could you please tell me your full name? आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Aishwarya Datta.
Datta. Okay. Thank you. And I would request Kirti ma'am to take over and comment on the performances.
Okay.
Hi Aishwarya, very good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, even I'm doing great. So first of all, a compliment for your hair. Your hair is looking lovely. Your earrings are looking lovely, though you're not following the dress code that was there.
Actually,
for audition.
I don't even know. I don't even know the dress code. I just know about heels or stilettos, I would say.
Okay, so you were not informed about the dress code?
No.
Okay, never mind. That means it's not your fault. It's the team's fault that they haven't informed you. Nevertheless, you're looking lovely. You're looking pretty with those earrings, the sari, and of course your lovely hair. And very gracefully, you spoke about yourself, your mother's aspirations, your aspirations. I love that. And your ramp walk was also, very creative, right? You were trying to be very creative when you were walking, but I could not really technically judge your walk. Why? Because when you're walking in a sari, I cannot see your leg movement. Right, that is why we do not suggest anyone to come for an audition in a sari. Yeah, so confidence-wise, your walk was good, and creativity-wise, your walk was good. But otherwise, I would say that there is a training that you need, right, for learning the technicalities of it.
Definitely.
All right, and you're open to learning, I'm sure.
Thank you.
Just wait for your audition report.
It means a lot.
All right, all the best. Thank you. Hi, Sharda. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yes, even I'm doing great. A very confident and a very well put introduction, Sharda. You are sure about where you want to see yourself, and whatever you've done in life, whatever challenges you've faced, I'm sure they have prepared you to be here in a more confident way. That's what I could understand. But your ramp walk was very average. Yeah. So I really wish to see that confidence in your walk. And that will come gradually once you get trained from the experts of this industry. Yes, so all the best from my side. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sharda ji. And let's move to Parita Seth. Hi, Parita. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
A very, very good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Great. Can we please have your introduction?
Sure. First of all, good evening to all the beautiful ladies. My name is Parita Sheth from Baroda, happily married in Halol. By profession, I am an insurance advisor doing joint business with my better half. I like traveling, dancing, and enjoy the time with my lovely daughter. I like to learn new things, and the best part of mine is that I don't take much time to learn the things. So, ladies, I'm here on this beauty pageant to learn something, to improve myself, and of course to prove myself. I want to win this crown because I want to set an example for the married women of our society. And I think that this crown and title will give me that opportunity to serve for them more effectively, and I can so I can serve for them to build up their self-confidence and of course their distinct identity in the world of beauty. And I believe that I deserve that. I want to do something for that, and I am at the right place. So I will do my best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Parita ji. Thank you. You can set your frame for the work while I move to Vivo V21E5G, जिन्होंने black mock neck shirt पहनी हुई है. Can you please unmute yourself? जी हाय, आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ please?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Can you please tell me your name first?
My name is Sadhvi Raj.
Hi, Sadhvi ji. How are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैम.
Great. Please अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मेरा नाम साध्वी है. मैं पटना से हूँ. मुझे स्टार्टिंग से ही फेम का बहुत शौक है. मुझे ये शौक है कि लोग मुझे जाने पहचाने, बहुत बड़ा सा फैन हो जो जिससे मुझे अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना ना पड़े. और वो मुझे सबसे अच्छा एक लाइन लगता है मॉडलिंग का मैम. मैं बचपन से इसकी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये चीज. मतलब अजीब है, इसका मतलब कोई रोक नहीं है. मतलब जब फैन सब खड़े होते हैं ना मैम, तो वो फीलिंग मैं ये फील करना चाहती हूँ. मुझे बहुत शौक है इस चीज का. तो एक्चुअली मैम मैं जॉब करती हूँ. मैं एक मैनेजर हूँ रेस्टोरेंट की. तो मैं आधे घंटे के लिए स्टोर रूम में मांग के आई हूँ. तो मैम यहाँ पे मैं कर रही हूँ, तो कोई आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मैम?
नहीं, आप अपने काम पे हो और किसी के काम से किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग. आप प्लीज मुझे अपनी हॉबीज के बारे में कुछ और बताइए.
मेरी हॉबी शुरू से डांसिंग और सिंगिंग है. मुझे गाना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है और मैं गाने में बहुत सारे प्राइज भी जीत चुकी हूँ.
ऑलराइट, थैंक यू साध्वी जी. आप अपना फ्रेम सेट कर लीजिए फॉर द वॉक व्हाइल आई मूव बैक टू परिता. परिता, आर वी रेडी? जी, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बिफोर यू स्टार्ट. Thank you, Parita. Thank you so much. I would request Sadhvi to start with her walk. साध्वी जी, आप स्टार्ट कीजिए प्लीज अपने वर्क के साथ.
ओके 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 मैम.
Thank you so much, Sadhvi ji. I would request Kirti ma'am to take over and comment on your performances.
Okay, thank you,
Hi,
ma'am.
Parita. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so you're looking very glamorous today. Your
Thank you.
shimmery attire is giving you a glamorous look, and your room is also very colorful. Yeah, so you have a very colorful personality, Parita. Is this your room?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so introduction आपका बहुत ही confident था, well prepared था, but towards the end you started fumbling. So why did that happen? Did you get nervous towards the end?
A little bit.
A little bit, okay. Because आपकी walk में बहुत ही ज़्यादा confident थी. I don't know why did you get nervous? What was the reason for that? But initially, of course, your introduction was fine. But gradually, your confidence started coming down, right? So maintain that. You can actually prepare yourselves a little more because you have a personality to be here on this platform, right? Your ramp walk was good. Technically speaking, there's a lot of tweaking that can be done. But if I talk about it in a random way that, you haven't been trained till now, but you walked very confidently. The attitude with which you were walking was very apt, right? According to modeling. So there's a long way to go, Parita, but you can surely be there. So just keep your fingers crossed and wait for your audition report. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Sadhvi. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
कैसा लग रहा है walk करके store room में?
थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है मैम. थोड़ा सा स्पेस कम है, उसके लिए आई रियली सो सॉरी. मैं अच्छे से ये नहीं कर पाई.
No, you see, you don't have to be sorry. हमारे पास जो situation में हम हैं, जहाँ पे हैं, अगर वहाँ पे भी हम अपनी performance दे रहे हैं, अपना 100% दे रहे हैं, that means we are really passionate about being here. But अगर मैं ramp walk की बात करूँ, तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा improvement की साथ भी हमें ज़रूरत है, right? Space का crunch था, but उतने से space में भी आप जो walk कर रहे थे, उससे I could make out that you haven't really seen anyone else also doing ramp walk, right? You should be watching more videos. So YouTube पे देख सकते हो आप. You can search for some fashion videos जहाँ पे walk कैसे होती है. यानी कि सबसे पहले आपको basic walk आना चाहिए heels में. And by heels I mean stilettos, pencil heels में. Right? And आपका जो introduction है वो भी आप थोड़ा सा अच्छे से formulate कर सकते थे, उसको अच्छे से construct कर सकते थे. Right? So there's a long way to go, Sadhvi. All the best. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sadhvi ji. And let's move to Simran. Hi, Simran. How are you? आप mute पे हैं. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. आप बताइए आप कैसी हैं?
I'm good too.
Great. Please अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
I am Simran Chadha. My age is 20 years. I belong to Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, and I am an animal rescuer too. I provide treatment and rescue stray animals of the city. Being a single child, I have always seen my mother being a superpower to me, and all the time and doing everything all alone. That's give me courage to stand here. And I wanted to be a model since last few years, but because I belong to a middle class family, I have always ignored it. But after my marriage, my husband and few material relatives of mine encouraged me to do this, and that's why I'm here. And I love to dance, and spend time with animals is my favorite. I'm here because I want to represent an example for women empowerment, to prove that women can do anything, everything. And I want to be an inspiration for women who are not capable of doing what they want. That's it. That's why I want to become Forever Mrs. India.
All right. Thank you so much, Simran. Thank you for sharing. I would move to Jyoti Jha. Till then, you can set your frame for the walk. Hi, Jyoti. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have an introduction?
Hello everyone. मेरा नाम ज्योति है and I'm 22 years old. मैं दिल्ली से बिलोंग करती हूँ. 9 to 5 की सिंपल जॉब करती हूँ, जिससे मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. इस वजह से मैंने मॉडलिंग चुनी थी. बट मेरी फैमिली और रिलेटिव्स, जिसकी वजह से हमारी फैमिली इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं, उस वजह से मैं मॉडलिंग कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाई. बट अब मैं 9 to 5 की जॉब करके थक चुकी हूँ और अब मुझे अपना करियर मॉडलिंग में बनाना है. और ये प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे सबसे अच्छा दिखा, जहाँ मैंने सोचा कि हाँ, जहाँ लोगों को लुक्स वाइज, पैसे वाइज जज नहीं किया जाता, क्योंकि मॉडलिंग के लिए सबसे पहले मांगा जाता है आपका अच्छा स्टाइल, कपड़ा, ग्रूमिंग और सबसे बड़ा पोर्टफोलियो, जो कि इतना मैं नहीं कर सकती. बट मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म दिखा जहाँ ना आने जाने की दिक्कत, ना पैसों की प्रॉब्लम, तो मैंने अपना लक आजमाने की कोशिश की है. सो आई एम हैप्पी अगर मेरा कुछ हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. और मेरी हॉबीज है सिंगिंग और ट्रैवलिंग, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है और मैं करती रहती हूँ. थैंक यू.
All right. Thank you, Jyoti. आप अपना frame set कर लीजिए for the walk. I'll move back to Simran for ramp walk. Simran, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
जी, आप start कर सकते हो.
Is it fine, ma'am?
Yes, it's fine. Thank you. I would request Jyoti to start with her walk. Jyoti, are we ready?
थोड़ा छोटा है.
जी, आप start कर सकते हो. You're visible.
And
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. I would, request Jaya to take over and comment on your performances.
Hi, Simran.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How do you do?
I'm good too. You look pretty, and your ramp walk was really, it was impressive. The way you have done the turns, I think you have prepared it really well. There is definitely the improvement part at the technical thing, but apart from that, your introduction and ramp walk was average, and definitely the scope for learning is there. So all the very best. And moving back to Jyoti. Hi, Jyoti.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
कैसे हैं आप? I'm good. Okay, so अभी तक आपका जो virtual presence है, the virtual frame जो आपका upper body part है, that is very presentable, I'll say. So I think I like that. Ramp walk भी मुझे आपकी अभी थोड़ी average लगी, but बहुत सारा काम कर सकते हैं हम introduction part पे. And how that can be done, that you note a lot of things about yourself. What are the unique points about you? So वो चीजें आप अपने introduction में add करके और उससे अच्छे से formulate कर सकते हैं. So all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. Let's move to Amulya. Hi, Amulya. How are you? अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए, please. कैसी हैं आप?
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm good.
Good. Thank you for asking. Can we please have an introduction?
Sure. Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Amulya Sachin. I'm 28 years old and I'm from Bangalore. My hobbies are singing and dancing, but I'm not a professional dancer or singer. मेरी एक 9 months की बेटी है, डॉटर है, तो मैं उसके लिए गाना गाती हूँ एंड डांस कर लेती हूँ उसको एंटरटेन करने के लिए. वो बहुत उसका रिएक्शन बहुत क्यूट रहता है, तो मुझे वो मोटिवेशन देता है, गाना गाना डांस करना एंड ऑल. एंड मैं उस क्राउन के लिए इसलिए आई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे किसी को प्रूव नहीं करना है. I want her to feel proud of me. That's it. And so I'm so glad to be part of this prestigious platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amulya. Thank you so much. I would request you to set your frame for the walk while I move to Nikita. Hi, Nikita. How are you?
Hey, I'm fine.
Great. Please अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
My name is Nikita Shehwat. I'm 18. Right now, I'm just about to complete my 12th, maybe the youngest here. So I'm just a student, and I'm just very passionate and diligent about modeling. To be very honest, it came to me just a year back, and I just heard and scrolled over Instagram and YouTube, and then I realized, okay, this is what I'm made for, and that's when it started. About hobbies, I'm not picky about it. Like I love everything and anything that comes to me. Sometimes basketball, sometimes singing, dancing. So everything, you can say everything is my hobby, or you can say nothing is my hobby. It's just the same. And yeah, that's me. I'm just hardworking. Like I took science as my stream, so hardworking is just you need to do when you are a science student. And other than that, I belong to a basic art family, so this is me.
All right. Thank you so much, Nikita. You can set your frame for the walk while I move back to Amulya Sachinji for a walk. Amulya, you can start.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, totally fine. I'll request Nikita to take over and begin.
Hey, I'm sorry. It will take a minute. I'm done with my internet. I'm connecting to Wi-Fi. Sorry.
No problem. I'll move to Komal's introduction. Hi, Komal. How are you?
Namaste, ma'am.
Very, very good evening. Please, अपने introduction के साथ start कीजिए.
मेरा नाम कोमल है. मैं एक हाउस वाइफ हूँ. मैं 23 साल की हूँ और मेरी 10 months की डॉटर है. मेरी हॉबीज मैम कुकिंग और पेंटिंग करना है, और एक मेरी हॉबी बहुत यूनिक सी है जो है सबकी हेल्प करना, और सबको मतलब सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना. ये मेरी हॉबी है. और मैं ये क्राउन इसलिए जीतना चाहती हूँ मैम. ये क्राउन मेरे लिए सबसे मतलब इतना इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए है क्योंकि मैम मैं एक हरियाणा के छोटे से विलेज से बिलोंग करती हूँ, जहाँ पे शादी के बाद शायद औरतें कहीं ना कहीं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में खो जाती हैं बहुत सारी. और एक और है जो हमारे गांव में होता है कि शादी के बाद औरतें मतलब अरे बाहर का कोई आ गया है, अंदर चले जाओ, रूम में धीरे से बात करना, बाहर आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए, और बहुत बड़ा घूंघट करवा कर रखते हैं. जो घूंघट का पर्दा है, मैं उस पर्दे को हटाकर उन सभी औरतों को साबित करना चाहती हूँ कि हाँ, हम भी अपने लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं और कपड़े मैटर नहीं करते, घूंघट मैटर नहीं करता, हम अपने लिए भी खुल के जी सकते हैं. और अभी मुझे मतलब 2 दिन पहले किसी को पता चला कि मैं मिसेस इंडिया का ऑडिशन देने वाली हूँ, तो उन्होंने बहुत बुरा बोला मुझे, बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैं उस चीज से मुझे ये नहीं हुआ कि नहीं मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए. मुझे उससे और भी ज्यादा अच्छा लगा कि हाँ डेफिनेटली मुझे ये जीतना ही है. नमस्ते मैम।
Ji, thank you, Komal ji. Thank you. I would request you to set your frame for the work while I move back to Nikita. Nikita, are we ready? And yes. Madhu ji, please do not unmute yourself again and again. Everybody needs to stay on mute unless the turn comes. Ji, Nikita, आप start कर सकते हो. Please put yourself on, unmute yourself and then start.
Hi Nikita, you have to change the filter because your filter is blur currently, so we can't see your walk.
Let me just check it.
Yeah, please.
कोमल, तब तक आप अपनी walk के साथ start कर सकते हो. You can begin.
Okay मैम।
Thank you, Komal. You can begin. You're perfectly visible now. And Nikita, आप start कर सकते हो. You're visible now. Thank you so much. I would request Jaya to take over and comment on these performances.
Hi Amulya.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I am good. I can't see you. Yeah, now you're perfectly visible. So yes, of course, your introduction and the ramp up was really good. And definitely there is a scope for improvement in the technical part, the virtual presentation, the way you have done the setup, it shows that, you are well prepared for definitely for the introduction, for the virtual presence and for the ramp up. So I think you can, go ahead for the training and grooming sessions. All the very best.
Thank you
Moving
so
back
much.
to Nikita. Hi, Nikita.
Hey.
How are you? Okay, so I think Nikita, there is a lot of improvement which can be done at the introduction part and the ramp up, because I think you are capable of learning, but abhi aapko right training and grooming ki zarurat hai. And also, as Harry mentioned to everybody, whoever is walking, they have to unmute themselves so that we can see you in the full screen. So I couldn't see you in the full screen. I think there is a lot of improvement that can be done in the introduction and ramp up part. So thank you. And moving back to Komal. Hi Komal.
नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया मैम, आप बताइए।
मैं भी ठीक हूँ. And just one advice, I could sense that you are nervous because आपकी body बहुत move कर रही थी while you were introducing yourself. So one thing which you can improve for the upcoming time, definitely the ramp walk part. वो भी आप बहुत काम कर सकते हैं. And introduction आपका formulated हो सकता था. So that is something which I think you can learn. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Komal. And let's move to Sonika. Hi, Sonika. How are you?
Hello.
जी आप
Am I audible?
जी आप ऑडिबल हैं, बट आप विजिबल नहीं है. आपका स्क्रीन पे सिर्फ डार्क ब्लैक स्पेस शो हो रहा है. आपको वीडियो ऑन करना पड़ेगा अपना. You're not visible, Sonika.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Sure. You can set your video settings, and I'll move to Neetu Singh. Hi Neetu, how are you?
Hi ma'am, how are you?
मैं नीतू सिंह से बात कर रही हूँ, the one in the white shirt. जिन्होंने white top पहना हुआ है. Can you please unmute yourself? Hi Neetu ji, how are you?
Fine ma'am. And you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can you please have your introduction?
Myself Neetu Singh Tomar, and I am BE graduate, and recently I am UPSC student, and then my hobby is dance and traveling, and I am from Chhattisgarh.
Okay, and why do you wish to win the crown?
Yes ma'am.
आप crown क्यों जीतना चाहते हो?
Because they are my own talent, and to explore my talent and grow up myself, and this platform is, I think, gives me chance to win a crown.
All right, thank you Neetu ji. I would request you to set your frame for the walk, and I'll move to Chanchal Patra. Hi Chanchal, how are you?
Hi, Harry.
A very good evening. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can you please have your introduction?
Okay, all right. Hello, everybody. I'm Chanchal. I stay in Mumbai. I am a super mom to my 2 super active kids. I currently run my dance and fitness unit called Infinite Moves. I am working basically towards spreading the correct education of real dance. That's my whole aim. I'm also the creator of Aquafit Dance in Mumbai. That's my job profile. Then apart from that, my hobbies from childhood, I have been loving, dance. I love to dance. I love to act. I love to sing. So, and I also love coding. That's computer related work. So when I was in my school and college, my dad was very happy that I have chosen engineering, which is a very good background. At that age, when I was speaking about dance and all, they were not so keen because they were scared about the whole world. So that time I couldn't pursue my passion for dance, but I'm happy I could pursue my coding. And I was a teacher in a school for a long while, and I was teaching a lot of kids there. Then in the, I think 5 or 7 years back, yes, 5-7 years back, I got an opportunity to be a part of a reality show. I was a little nervous when I was a part of it, but my love for my dance made me win the show. That's called the Super Moms Dance, Odisha Dance. It happened in Odisha. That really boosted my confidence and really ignited my passion for dancing again. And that's where I started my institute with my mentor, Sangram sir. So after that, I have been trying to make sure that all the children, especially the underprivileged children who have a lot of talent, underprivileged teachers also, who don't have the scope, I'm trying to give them a scope in Mumbai, trying to get connections for them in Bollywood. So now my aim, why am I in this show? I love trophies, I love crowns. I'm hoping every trophy and every crown actually adds confidence in me. So I'm hoping when I win this will enhance my experience, help me achieve more things in my life, allow me to get a better platform for my work also. I'll get more connections, more networks. That's what is my all aim about. I love walking. I love actually being on the camera. I was a part of a judge in one of the reality shows, and that's when I realized I really love being in front of camera, because being a judge and in a reality show is a very, very tasking job. You have to sit there for like 12 hours continuously, but that passion I had, so that's where I felt I really love being in front of the camera. I love people loving me. So that's what I'm hoping from this platform. I will get more and more connections, and I will be able to showcase my talent to all the people. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chanchal. Thank you. And I would request you to set your frame for the walk while I move back to Neetu Singh's walk. Neetu ji, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
जी, आप बिल्कुल perfectly visible हो. You can start.
Yes. Can I do?
Yes, आप start कर सकते हो.
Ma'am, enough?
Thank you, Neetu ji. Thank you so much. Let's move to Chanchal's walk. Chanchal, are we ready? Yeah, please unmute yourself.
Done.
Thank you, Chanchal. Thank you. I would request Kirti ma'am to take over and comment on your performances.
Hi, Neetu. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
आप फाइन नहीं लग रहे हो. आपने कुछ प्रेपरेशन क्यों नहीं की आज के ऑडिशन के लिए, नीतू? Why? You did not get time?
Ma'am, talent था.
आपने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन प्रिपेयर किया था, नीतू?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं. आपने अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में सिर्फ 2-3 चीजें बोली एंड देन यू जस्ट स्टॉप्ड, राइट? आपको पहले से बताया जाता है कि आपको अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या क्या इंक्लूड करना है. बट एनीवेज, वो बहुत ज्यादा क्रिस्प था. अभी आपको अपनी पर्सनैलिटी पे और ज्यादा काम करने की जरूरत है. आप खुद के बारे में कॉन्फिडेंस से कैसे बात करें और क्या बात करें, राइट? जब तक आपको पता ही नहीं होगा कि मुझे बोलना क्या है, आप प्रिपेयर कैसे करोगे और उसको आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलोगे कैसे, राइट? तो थोड़ा और कंटेंट रिक्वायर्ड था आपके इंट्रोडक्शन में. आपकी जो वॉक थी, नीतू, वो भी बहुत ही एवरेज थी. आपने बहुत ही कैजुअल वॉक किया.
Some space problem.
I can see you have good space. इस स्पेस में भी आप अच्छा वॉक कर सकते थे. बाकी कैंडिडेट्स ने इससे भी कम स्पेस में वॉक किया है, राइट? तो अभी हमें
reels and videos of dance in my Instagram.
certainly वो सारी चीजें हैं. लेकिन अभी आज के ऑडिशन में जो आपका इंट्रोडक्शन है और जो आपकी अभी रैंप वॉक है, वही मैटर करेगी. वो चीजें बहुत आगे और बाद में काम में आती हैं. बट आप सीख सकते हो और ट्रेनिंग ले सकते हो. ट्रेनिंग एज इन कि अभी आपको और ज्यादा वीडियोस देखनी चाहिए, कैसे कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाना है, कैसे वॉक करनी है, राइट? सो ऑल द बेस्ट फ्रॉम माय साइड. Hi, Chanchal, how are you?
Hi, Kirti, I'm good.
Okay. So first of all, I just love your curls. I've been looking at your curls when you were talking about yourself.
Thank you.
And of course, your introduction was a very, well-formulated one. Very confidently you spoke about yourself and very calmly, in a very calm manner, you spoke about yourself. You actually created a story, right? It was a story that, this is how I started. These are my hobbies. This is my passion. So this is for everyone. When you create a story out of your life, people actually listen to you. Yeah, it has to be told in an interesting way. So Chanchal, you spoke about yourself very efficiently. I'm sorry. Secondly, when you said that, that this is my talent and, that this is what I do, this is how I help the underprivileged. So having a talent is one thing, and, using that talent to help others, to help the underprivileged is another thing. Not everyone does that. Sab nahi karte hain ye. So kudos to you for doing that. Secondly, if I come to your walk, first of all, I talk about the dress code. You are following the dress code. I absolutely love that. It means that you are sincere about being here on this platform. Secondly, there was a beginning and there was an end to your walk. You started your walk in a proper way. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने बीच में से कहीं से भी शुरू कर दिया, right? You started and then you stopped at a particular point. So that is also extremely important. technically speaking, there's a little bit of tweaking that can be done here and there with respect to your ramp walk, with respect to your turns, with respect to the way you were posing. But otherwise, it was a confident one, just like your introduction. All the best.
Thank you. That's really, really nice. It motivated me.
Thank you so much, Chanchal. I'll move to Tanishka Pathak. Hi, Tanishka ji, how are you?
Hi, myself Tanishka Pathak. I am counseling psychologist by profession, and I am very positive person. I love working hard, whether it's my profession or whether it's for everything. The reason why I want to become Mrs. India is there are actually 3 reasons, and every reason has a story attached with it, because when we are dreaming something, so everything has a experience attached with it. So here, I'm not going to share every story. I'm just going to share why I want to become Mrs. India. So the number 1 reason is, as a counseling psychologist or a mental health care professional, my first reason is I want to become a celebrity face. For example, if I'm saying somebody, like just go for therapy sessions or go for counseling session, nobody will believe me. But if Amitabh Bachchan is saying, or Deepika Padukone is saying, people follow them. So I want to become a celebrity face. Second thing is, I want to empower women. Like, there's nothing like that. When you are married, you cannot do anything. I mean, see, I am blessed, but if I'm not blessed, still I have guts to do. I am independent. I can do whatever I want to do. And that was my motto. And yes, I am following my dream, my passion, irrespective of whatever it is. When I got married, it was not like that, but things changes as I have changed the mentality of everyone. But one thing is that I got support from my husband all the time, right? And last but not the least, it was my mother's dream. When I was a child, Sushmita Sen, she won Miss Universe crown, and she used to tell me, you have to be a Miss Universe. You have to be a Miss Universe. But sadly, I have grown up. My height was 5 feet. So that dream was somewhere I thought I won't be able to fulfill. But yes, this is the platform where you are giving opportunity, like height doesn't matter, weight doesn't matter. So I decided, okay, why not try now? Because the seed was planted inside. So, but still, there was a desire to become like that. So that was about me. And that's it.
All right. Thank you so much, Tanishka ji. Thank you. I would request you to set your frame for the work while I move to Sujata. Hi, Sujata. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Good evening, everybody.
Ji, please carry on with your introduction.
Ma'am, I'm Sujata. I'm 27 years old. I'm teaching in St. Agnes School, Kharagpur, West Bengal. I'm teaching the kids mainly, like we are the ones who build their foundation for the pre-primary kids. And I make a lot of YouTube videos since past 2 years. And it's all about action songs and rhymes and different moral values. I make different moral stories. And ma'am, my hobbies are singing. And I don't know how to dance, ma'am, but I just love to see and I try to dance. And ma'am, I'm married, of course, and I got a small baby, 1-year-old baby. And everyone in my family supports me except my husband. So I have come to the terrace and I'm trying to like just do it and go down fast, ma'am. I spoke the truth, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sujata ji. It takes a lot of courage to share your personal insecurity on a platform like this. And I really hope your husband turns into a positive side and sees the bright side of the picture. I would request you to set your frame for the walk while I hurry back to Tanishka ji for her ramp walk. Tanishka ji, you can begin. Please unmute yourself before you start.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt
And one more thing I forgot to share, that I am 3 months pregnant, and so I won't be participating most probably for the next 2 years unless I get slim again or fit again. So I got a call from Charul and Ekta, so they encouraged me, no, please at least give audition, at least give audition. But yes, if you would have taken this audition like 3 months back, I was in proper shape. I'm not promoting any body shaming here, but the thing is I'm promoting fitness, whether it's a mental fitness or physical fitness. That's it.
Thank you so much, Tanishka ji. Let's move to Sujata's work, and congratulations on your pregnancy. I would request Sujata to begin with the work. Sujata ji, आप visible हो, आप start कर सकते हो.
Yeah. That's why I'm not wearing heels, because of pregnancy.
Thank you so much, Sujata. I would request Kirti ma'am to take over and comment on these performances.
Hi, Tanishka. How are you doing? I can't hear you.
I'm doing super good. Still, I'm able to do a lot of things that I want to do. Like I'm going gym. I'm doing like a nutritionist program. I mean, which typical families doesn't allow. Seriously, I can do whatever I want. And the reason behind is I'm independent.
The reason behind it is you are?
I'm independent.
You're independent.
Yes, that's
Right.
very big reason when you are independent.
Right, right. So certainly that's really important in today's world, being an independent woman or being an independent man. But congratulations on your pregnancy. And trust me, I could not really make out that you are 3 months pregnant when you were walking. I was just thinking about your dress, that your dress is looking very hot, hot in black. And of course, your kid is going to be really proud of you that, you know, when he or she was there in your belly, you appeared for this audition. And I'm sure you are going to clear this audition because you have been portraying positivity throughout, right? When you started your introduction, when you started walking, and now when you're talking about your baby. So there's a lot of energy that you have, right? And that energy has to be used in a proper way. Now that you're pregnant, I'm sure you are trying to use it in different directions. And one more thing, because the finale happens and the grand finale happens somewhere near December, right? So you are 3 months pregnant. So I'm sure that is going to be pose some problem there, because you being able to travel during that time, that you will have to think about it. Of course, for the training and grooming sessions, there's going to be no issue, right? Because the training and grooming sessions will happen virtually, Tanishka. And personally, I would really want to be there for these training and grooming sessions. So let's just wait for your audition report, and all the best from my side. Thank you.
So much, it really, really means a lot.
Hi, Sujata, how are you? I can't hear you. You have to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes,
How are
ma'am.
you?
I'm fine. Thank you, ma'am. I'm fine.
Yeah,
How are
so
you,
why are you
ma'am?
sounding so low? I know you've been giving your introduction very calmly, but why are you sounding so low? What is it?
Ma'am, it's too hot. Actually, I'm standing on the terrace.
Okay, it's the heat. Oh my God. Okay, then it's perfectly fine. ठीक है. So अभी ramp walk में सुजाता हमें काफी improvement करने की जरूरत है. And you know, I really want you to have some more energy when you're talking about yourself. I understand थोड़ी गर्मी ज़्यादा है, but you know, गर्मी में भी हमें अपने बारे में बात तो करनी ही पड़ेगी, जैसे आपको अभी करनी पड़ी, right? So
Yeah, ma'am.
eat something which gives you instant energy. Eat more bananas, some dry fruits, dates. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Keep that smile. Keep smiling. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sujata ji. Let's move to Sangeeta. Hi, Sangeeta ji. How are you? संगीता जी आप म्यूट पे हैं, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, मेरा नाम संगीता कुईडी है। मैं गुवाहाटी असम की रहने वाली हूँ। मैं 22 इयर्स की हूँ और मेरी हॉबी है मॉडलिंग, एक्टिंग एंड डांसिंग। और मेरे बचपन से मेरा एक हॉबी है कि मैं प्रोफेशनल मॉडल बनूं। और मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, इसी मंथ मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था इंटरनेशनल शो में, जिसमें मैं रनर अप आई। और नेक्स्ट मैंने किया था, तो इससे पहले उसमें मैं विनर बनी थी आसाम की। तो मेरी जर्नी जस्ट स्टार्ट हुआ है और मैं और ज्यादा फेम पाना चाहती हूँ। मुझे फेम बहुत पसंद है और मॉडलिंग में मैं अपना करियर बनाना चाहती हूँ। तो इसीलिए मैं और मेरी मम्मी का भी सपना है कि मैं एक एक्ट्रेस और एक मॉडल बनूं। तो मैं मम्मी का सपना पूरा करना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, Sangeeta ji. Thank you. I would request you to set your frame for the walk till I move to Aarti ji. Hi Aarti, how are you? आप म्यूट पे हैं, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग मैम।
गुड इवनिंग आरती जी, कैसी हैं आप?
बढ़िया मैम।
ग्रेट, प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Aarti. I'm working Delhi Government Hospital in Delhi, Jagpravesh Chandra Hospital, working as a nursing officer in NICU department, nursing intensive care unit, जहाँ छोटे बच्चे होते हैं 1 मंथ से बिफोर 28 वीक्स के अंदर अंदर। मेरी हॉबी टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होती है। मेरी फर्स्ट हॉबी है अर्ली मॉर्निंग एक भगवान का सॉन्ग सुनना, जिससे मेरा पूरा दिन अच्छा जाए। और ड्यूटी पे जाने के बाद सिर्फ एक बच्चे को मैं हाफ करके अपनी वार्म देना चाहती हूँ। डेली मॉर्निंग में ये कोई भी शिफ्ट मेरी लगती है, तब एक बच्चे को, जब से मैं मदर बनी, मेरे 2 बेबी हैं। लास्ट ईयर मेरी डिलीवरी हुई है और उससे पहले एक 3 साल का बेबी है। अभी भी रिसेंटली मेरी कॉलिसिस्टेक्टमी हुई है। तो बहुत ऑपरेशन हुए हैं, डोंट नो। पर अभी जैसे मैं हॉबी मेरे टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होती है। एक बच्चे को हक देती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, चाहे मे बी नाइट ड्यूटी या इन एवरी शिफ्ट मैं जाके अपना 5-10 मिनट निकाल के एक बच्चे को हक देती हूँ, उसको वार्म देती हूँ, टच देती हूँ, मदर टच, जो एक नर्सिंग प्रोफेशन में बहुत अच्छी बॉन्डिंग क्रिएट करता है। और मुझे क्राउन का तो पता नहीं, पर मेरी फ्रेंड तनिष्का पाठक ने जिसने अभी दिया, जो 3 मंथ प्रेग्नेंट है, उसने मुझे मोटिवेट किया था, बहुत बहुत मोटिवेट किया था। तू कर सकती है। अब बच्चे हो गए कि अब फैमिली के आगे कुछ नहीं, अपने लिए सोच, अपने लिए। एक्चुअली मेरी हस्बैंड मेरे से स्मार्ट है, मेरे से प्लस है। हाइट उनकी 6 है, मैं 5 हूँ। जया मिताब लगा लो इस टाइप की जोड़ी। तो आफ्टर मैरिज मतलब लगता है कि हाँ, जब भी कहीं जाओ हस्बैंड प्लस वाइफ, छोटी है, मोटी है, इस तरीके से ऐसे वाले लगते हैं। तो फिर इट्स ओके। गवर्नमेंट जॉब थी, हस्बैंड अच्छे है, केयरिंग है, सब कुछ बढ़िया। पर अगर मैं क्राउन जीतती हूँ बाय अपना पॉजिटिव और मोटिवेटिव आपके थ्रू, तो मैं क्राउन जीत सकती हूँ। अदरवाइज मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे मोटिवेट करा था इस प्रोग्राम में, इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए। तो मैं सिर्फ तनिष्का को थैंक्स कहूंगी, बिग थैंक्स। मैं हो या ना हो भी, तनिष्का फ्रेंड तो जरूर आगे तक जानी चाहिए।
Thank you so much, Aarti ji. Now that's women empowering women, and so happy to see, this is what our platform represents. The competition is not with each other, but how you grow individually. So thank you so much for sharing, and kudos to you, Tanishka. More power to you as a woman. So good to see women of today empowering each other and not thinking of each other as competitors. So Aarti ji, आप बहुत cute हो. I would request you to set your frame for the walk. I'll move back to Sangeeta. Sangeeta ji, are we ready?
हाँ, इसमें मैं रेडी हूँ।
जी, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो।
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta. I would start with Aarti ji's walk now. Aarti ji, आप start कर सकते हो. Please unmute yourself before you start. Thank you, Aarti ji. Thank you so much. I would request Jaya to take over and comment on these performances.
Hi, Sangeeta. Unmute yourself.
हेलो मैम.
कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ मैम, और आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द ड्रेस कोड? आपको भी नहीं पता था? और यू जस्ट वांटेड टू वेयर योर रेड ड्रेस?
नो मैम, मेरा 2 दिन से बहुत तबीयत खराब है, मुझे फीवर है, और मैं एक्चुअली भूल गई थी आज मेरा ऑडिशन है. मतलब मैं हॉस्पिटल से आई डॉक्टर दिखा के, तो इसके बाद मैं फटाफट जो भी पहना था उसी में मैं बैठ गई ऑडिशन में.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट नो, कोई बात नहीं. अगर तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी तो यू कुड हैव रीस्केड्यूल. बट अगर आपकी तबीयत खराब नहीं है और उसके बाद आप इस तरीके से परफॉर्म करते हैं, तो आई थिंक जब आप ठीक हो जाएंगे तो आप बहुत अच्छा और परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे. इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट जो था वो काफी क्लियर था, क्रिस्टल क्लियर इंट्रोडक्शन आपने दिया. एंड रैंप वॉक पे अभी मुझे जो आपने पोजेस किए थे, हैंड मूवमेंट विच यू डिड, तो आई थिंक मुझे लगा आपका थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस है वहां पे, बट फिर भी इम्प्रूवमेंट की अभी काफी जरूरत है. सो देयर वी कैन वर्क अपॉन. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. मूविंग बैक टू आरती जी. हाय आरती जी.
हेलो मैम.
कैसे हैं आप?
यस मैम, आई एम गुड.
यू आर वेरी गुड. आई नो आप बहुत टाइम से कुछ ना कुछ आपके मेडिकल इश्यूज की वजह से अपना ऑडिशन नहीं दे पाए थे.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
finally when you're giving, throughout the introduction part, if you see on screen sab log, everybody was smiling the way you have given your introduction. The most unique hobbies I've heard abhi tak jo aapki hobbies thi. So I think आगे के लिए थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी मैं चाहूंगी इंट्रोडक्शन में, जहां आप अपने बारे में, खुद के बारे में कुछ और अच्छे से बात करें. और if you want, you can take the help of your friend. She will definitely guide you, Tanishka ji. And ramp walk पे भी काफी काम किया जा सकता है. So all the very best. I think you have the capability to improve. So thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Aarti ji. Thank you. Let's move to Madhu Thakur. Hi, Madhu. How are you? Madhu ji, आप mute पे हैं. Please unmute yourself.
Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. कैसी हैं आप?
I am good, ma'am.
Can you please have your introduction?
मेरा नाम मधु ठाकुर है और I am from but currently live in सैफई. मेरे 2 प्यारे बच्चे हैं और मेरे हस्बैंड का नाम डॉक्टर राजेश कुमार ठाकुर है. मेरी हॉबीज सिंगिंग, डांसिंग एंड कुकिंग है. और फैशन और मॉडलिंग का मुझे बचपन से ही शौक था, बट कभी ऐसा कोई चांस नहीं मिल पाया, कोई ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिल पाया. और कह सकती हूँ ये मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है. और को करना चाहती हूँ अपनी फैमिली के लिए, रिलेटिव्स के लिए, नेबर्स के लिए. ये मैं प्रूव करके दिखाना चाहती हूँ एक हाउसवाइफ, जो कि मैं एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ, और वो एक हाउसवाइफ भी अपने लाइफ में बहुत कुछ कर सकती है. तो बस थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Madhu ji. I would request you to set your frame for the walk, and नो प्रॉब्लम आरती जी, अगर आपका शिफ्ट है तो प्लीज आप खुद को वीडियो ऑफ कर सकती हैं आप, लेकिन ट्राई कीजिएगा एंड तक रुके, ताकि हम प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में जब बात करें तो आप एटलीस्ट सुन पाएं। सो वी जस्ट हैव एनीवेज वन कैंडिडेट लेफ्ट। हाय MNV लक्ष्मी, कैसी हैं आप? हाउ आर यू?
Hi ma'am, how are you ma'am?
आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good ma'am.
ग्रेट, प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Yes ma'am, my name is Indu. I'm from Hyderabad and my hobbies are playing badminton, painting and reading books. And I'm pursuing MBA HR specialization, and I'm here for to this field. I just want to prove my talent, and I'm also a beautician and I'm a yoga teacher also. Thank you ma'am.
All right, thank you so much Indu ji। आप अपना फ्रेम सेट कर लीजिए for the work and I'll move back to Madhu ji for her work। मधु जी, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। Thank you, Madhu ji. Thank you. And let's move to Indu's work. Indu, you can start.
Just a minute ma'am.
Thank you so much, Indu ji. I would request Jaya to take over and comment on your performances.
Hi, Madhu ji.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे हैं आप?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. I can't see you. आपका वीडियो ऑफ है?
Actually, बच्चे डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं।
Let them disturb, not a problem. अभी virtual screen पे ऐसे ही होगा, that you know there will be a lot of people around you.
Yes,
So no problem. I love your beautiful hairs first of all, and थोड़ी सी मुझे लगता है आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में प्रिपेयर करने की, बिकॉज वी कांट जज यू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर रैंप वॉक अभी। आई थिंक इट इज जस्ट द फर्स्ट स्टेप, बट रैंप वॉक के अलावा इंट्रोडक्शन जो है दैट इज समथिंग वो आपके अंदर खुद से आना चाहिए। यू नो व्हाट आर द यूनिक पॉइंट्स अबाउट यू, मैं ऐसा क्या बोलूं जो मुझे जूरी और ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट करे। सो दैट इज समथिंग आई थिंक आप और अच्छे से उसको फॉर्मुलेट कर सकते हैं इफ यू गेट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप। सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। मूविंग बैक टू इंदु। हाय इंदु।
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I am good. I love the clarity you had in the introduction. You know, everything you have covered, and it was well crisp, brief introduction, and a lot of improvement can be done at the ramp walk part. Jis tarike se you were walking, I think you have prepared it a little, I think just a little, but there is a lot of scope for the improvement. So all the very best. Just wait for your audition report card. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am.
All right, thank you so much, ladies. It was an absolute pleasure getting to know all of you. Congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It takes a lot of courage to talk about yourself to absolute strangers. बहुत हिम्मत लगती है अपने बारे में बात करने के लिए. So I am so happy to get to know you, and of course this is just the beginning. Audition सिर्फ एक शुरुआत है, where now you begin another journey of creating a unique identity for yourself. But ये होगा कैसे? Let's just, the entire team of FCA get together while I play a video, and you will get to know how you will be reaching to your finale. So all the details, all the journey well explained in a short video. So please pay attention, and then of course we'll be moving on step by step. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are all doing good, and congratulations on completing your level A with Forever Star India and taking your first step into the journey of becoming Forever Miss, Mrs. or Miss Teen India 2022. So आज आपका first step complete होते ही you will be receiving your audition report cards at the earliest. These audition report cards are like e-certificates which will credit your performance officially signed by the jury members. Because I'm sure आप जब किसी भी चीज में अपनी मेहनत अपना input डालते हैं, you deserve to know where you stand to start your journey accordingly or to improve upon your weak points. Not only that, this audition report card will hold a validity of lifetime, which means आपको दोबारा हमारे साथ यानी कि फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया की टीम के साथ ऑडिशन नहीं देना पड़ेगा, even if you change your categories in the coming times, because I'm sure you would want to improve upon your performances, or in case you discontinue due to any number of reasons, an audition won't be required in the coming seasons from your end. And first step, Plena, is always beneficial, so make sure you take that. Secondly, what happens after the audition? You become a lifetime member of the platform, an official participant of Forever Star India. Now, that's just not a term that I'm using casually. An official participant of Forever Star India in any of the respective categories is a celebrity, because the benefits that you receive out of this platform are incredibly huge and credentialed. Now, let's talk about these benefits. First of all, you receive a lifetime membership of the platform. अब lifetime membership तो किसी भी project, किसी भी process की बहुत fascinating होती है. Imagine receiving all the discounts, offers that you sign up for when you even sign up for a brand or a mall. लेकिन एक ऐसे platform की lifetime membership मिलना, which is full of opportunities and most importantly, very safe and secure. Because let's be honest, as women today, we are very cautious of the fact what we are investing our time and energy into. Because everything is digital, so we have to be careful. लेकिन जब आप एक ऐसे platform से जुड़ जाते हो, which is A, female oriented, believes in empowering women, and secondly, very, very safe, having only verified members from across the country, you will not think twice before accessing any of these opportunities. For instance, we have already launched. Now, this exclusive FCR app is one-stop to all your queries and is going to ensure that आप multiple तरीके से अपनी प्रोफाइल को बूस्ट कर सके और अपनी individuality की visibility strong कर पाए. Because you will get to interact and showcase your talent, your skills to the entire nation on a single platform. Because I'm sure you would want to be noticed when you are putting your heart and soul into it. Imagine जब पूरी दुनिया आपको देख पाएगी, performing your talent rounds, your auditions, and much, much more. Not just that, this app will enable a very strong networking with professionals from all over the world as well, because you will be able to access their expertise directly. Now let's come to the second most important that no other community or pageant for that matter is offering or has offered. What is this benefit? आपने अगर एक चीज नोटिस की हो, from so many women or even men for that matter, you have met or you might meet, there's one common factor between all of you. आप सब में एक बहुत strong common wish है, चाह है, और वो चाह है अपनी एक unique identity बनाने की, अपनी पहचान बनाने की. लोग मुझे मेरे नाम से जाने, मेरे काम से जाने। What if I tell you कि ये जो बेनिफिट है, ये जो आपकी विश है, ये हम पार्टिसिपेशन लेवल पे बिना आपके विनर बने ही पूरी कर देते हैं। Not just going to talk about you, but rather show the entire thing to you. क्या आपने कभी अपना नाम गूगल किया है? हम यूजुअली नहीं करते बिकॉज हमें लगता है अभी हमें उस लेवल तक पहुंचने में टाइम है। बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू दैट जैसे ही आपका पार्टिसिपेशन प्रोसेस क्लियर होता है तो हमारी टीम आपकी प्रोफाइल को इस तरह बूस्ट करेगी कि कोई भी आपका नाम गूगल पे सर्च करेगा तो आपकी FCR प्रोफाइल टॉप पे शो होगी। यस, लुक एट द स्क्रीन। हम अंकिता शेट्टी का नाम सर्च कर रहे हैं, who was the national winner of Forever Star India Mrs. India 2021 category 1। बहुत important है ये प्रोफाइल आपके लिए बिकॉज इसमें सिर्फ आपकी पिक्चर्स नहीं, आपकी अचीवमेंट्स, आपका टैलेंट, आपकी इंडिविजुअलिटी के बारे में बहुत सारी डिटेल्स हाईलाइट की जा सकती हैं एंड दैट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू रिप्रेजेंट योर प्रोफाइल। एंड माइंड यू, ये बेनिफिट सिर्फ विनर्स के लिए नहीं है, पार्टिसिपेंट लेवल पे हर पार्टिसिपेंट को ये बेनिफिट मिलता है। So make sure you get going and find your name on the Google top ranking. We are searching 2 more candidates, Dimpy Jain, Naomi Ribeiro. And look at the results. So that's the kind of visibility and unique identity that Forever Star India provides you once you clear your participation process. I am sure आखिर किसे नहीं बोलना है, गूगल कर लो मेरा नाम और मेरा काम दिख जाएगा। Now that's one fascinating benefit that you receive out of this platform, no matter if you win or not. तो आपकी जर्नी अब बहुत ही अलग कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ स्टार्ट करते हो because our team starts working on these technicalities as soon as you clear your participation process. And now moving forward, another important benefit is कि आपका e-certificate digitally release कर दिया जाता है. Moreover, a hard copy of a beautifully gold embossed certificate is sent to your doorstep. एक एक्चुअल सर्टिफिकेट और पार्टिसिपेशन सैश आपके घर पहुंचाया जाता है at the earliest, which has a beautiful picture of yours and your name embossed into gold. Not just that, आपकी सोशल मीडिया विजिबिलिटी पे भी हमारी टीम बहुत माइन्यूटली काम करती है because there are social media promotions involved through all our digital platforms, where each of you individually is given due mileage and highlight according to the efforts you put into the platform. Now, there has been a lot of discussion about the benefits. But what about the journey? आखिर ये सफर होगा कैसे? आप क्या सीखोगे? What's the plan that Forever Star India has for you in terms of your competition, your trainings? Let's hear it directly from the director of Forever Star India, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary.
You listened to all the benefits that this platform has to offer, let me just tell you that these benefits are not going to come so easy. There's a certain process that we are going to follow here. You will have to be there for this process. You will have to appear for these training and grooming sessions. तो अगर training और grooming sessions की मैं बात करूं, जैसे ही आपका participation process complete होता है और team टेक्निकली आपकी प्रोफाइल को टॉप पे लाने में जुट जाती है, तो इस तरफ हमारी जो ट्रेनर्स की टीम है, जिसमें इमेज कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, रैंप वॉक एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, पैजेंट ग्रूमर्स हैं, कोरियोग्राफर्स हैं, मेकअप कंसल्टेंट्स भी होंगे। ये टीम ऑफ ट्रेनर्स, दे आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन बिकमिंग द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ। एंड हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू डू दैट? You will be appearing for these training sessions for the coming 3 to 4 months ऑनलाइन, यानी कि आप हमारी एप्लीकेशन पे आपकी प्रोफाइल के थ्रू लॉगिन करेंगे और इसी एप्लीकेशन पे आपके ये ट्रेनिंग सेशंस होंगे। सो वंस और ट्वाइस अ वीक यू विल हैव टू बी अवेलेबल फॉर दीज ट्रेनिंग सेशंस। ग्रेजुअली जैसे जैसे आपकी ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट होगी, क्योंकि बहुत से लोग आप में से हैं जो इस बैकग्राउंड से नहीं है, इस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं, so these trainers will make sure that they will help you in understanding those areas of your personality which need to be worked upon. जैसे ही आपकी ट्रेनिंग होगी, फॉर इंस्टेंस एक इमेज कंसल्टेंट आपको हेल्प करेगा कि आपको अपनी वर्चुअल प्रेजेंस स्ट्रॉन्ग कैसे बनानी है, साथ ही में आप कॉन्फिडेंटली अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे दे सकते हो, एक जज्बे के साथ आप अपने पैशन को अचीव कैसे कर सकते हो. उसके बाद आपके टैलेंट राउंड स्टार्ट होंगे, यानी कि इधर आपकी ट्रेनिंग चल रही है और साइड बाय साइड आपके टैलेंट राउंड्स स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. 3 टैलेंट राउंड्स होंगे, यानी कि 3 चांसेस यू विल बी गेटिंग टू प्रूव योरसेल्व्स. इन तीनों चांसेस के बाद आपका जो स्कोर होगा, उस स्कोर के बेसिस पे वी विल बी शॉर्टलिस्टिंग सिटी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. नाउ डू नॉट वरी, यू विल नॉट हैव टू आस्क एनीवन कि मेरा स्कोर क्या है, मेरा स्कोर इतना कम क्यों है, मुझे कहाँ पे इम्प्रूव करने की जरूरत है. You will directly be going to your profile on our application, and from there you can directly have access to your score in each of these talent rounds. Gradually हम city representatives select करेंगे, city representatives में से हम state representatives shortlist करेंगे. अगर आप जयपुर से हैं, Forever Miss India जयपुर. अगर आप मुंबई से हैं, Forever Mrs. India मुंबई 2022. इस जर्नी में हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि आप खुद की पर्सनालिटी में कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट देखते हैं. We are not going to compare you with each other at any point here on this platform. We are going to compare you with the progress that you are making with respect to your own self. So make sure you are learning, you're noting everything down, and also you are improving every passing day. I understand 90% of the process that we follow is virtual. But do not worry कि आप सिर्फ अपने घर पे बैठे बैठे ही क्या फिनाले या जो आपकी क्राउनिंग है वो करवा लेंगे, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होने वाला है. आपकी ट्रेनिंग सेशंस, आपके ग्रूमिंग सेशंस और आपके टैलेंट राउंड्स, उसके बाद जो आपकी शॉर्टलिस्टिंग है, सिर्फ यहीं तक आपका प्रोसेस वर्चुअल है. लेकिन जैसे ही आप सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, इवन इफ एट सिटी लेवल यू आर गेटिंग शॉर्टलिस्टेड, one thing is for sure, that you are coming for the finale to one of the most beautiful cities of India, which I call the Pink City, Jaipur. Finale Jaipur में होगा in the month of September, and city level पे भी shortlist होने के बाद आप finale के लिए जयपुर आएंगे. So we will make sure that you get that experience here of a winner of becoming a celebrity of Forever Star India. Trust me, that feeling is going to be an altogether different feeling. You are going to be a part of a magnificent event where you're walking down the ramp wearing that beautiful couture gown designed by our fashion designers. A makeup artist is going to doll you up for this event, and you will finally be meeting your team of trainers and groomers जो finally आपको train करने वाले हैं कि आपको stage पे walk कैसे करना है, आपको अपना interview कैसे देना है, and how are you going to be there in front of the world, in front of the media as a celebrity. All the best to each one of you who has successfully cleared their audition, and now you are ready to become an official participant of Forever Miss Teen, Forever Miss India, and Forever Mrs. India 2022. So let me remind all of you that the training sessions have already started. But if you complete your participation process at the earliest, your account manager will add you to a fresh batch, and we will be starting with your training sessions. All the best. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much, ladies, for your time today. It was so good to know all of you. I'm sharing Forever Star India's social media details into the chat box. Have a look what our last season looked like and see what this season is all about. So I'm sure you're going to have a fun watch while you witness 300 crownings happening on a single platform, while this year you set a new record and you become the face of Forever Star India season 2022. Take care. Have a great evening. Your audition report cards will be sent to you by tomorrow evening. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.